If your Instagram account got disabled, don't panic yet, because honestly, a lot of accounts are getting disabled automatically in 2026, sometimes even by mistake. And one of the biggest questions people ask is, how do you actually contact a real person at Instagram? Because the normal appeal forms honestly feel useless sometimes. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best real methods people are using right now to appeal a disabled Instagram account, including the Meta Support Chat method. That actually works for many users. First, let's talk about the normal Instagram appeal, because you should always start here first. When you try logging into the disabled account, Instagram usually shows an appeal option directly inside the app. Fill out the appeal carefully, using your real information, and honestly, do not spam random, fake explanations. Keep it short, professional, and calm. Now here's the important part. Most people miss the Meta Verified Support method because honestly, this is currently one of the best ways to reach an actual human support agent, especially through Facebook or Instagram support chat. Here's how people are doing it. In 2026, first, you need access to a Facebook or Instagram account that still works. Many users either use their backup account, friend's account, or another Meta account they own. Now, the important thing, many users subscribe to Meta Verified temporarily because it unlocks access to live support chat in many regions. And honestly, this is the method people constantly talk about online right now. Once Meta Verified is active, go into Settings Accounts, Center Help, then Meta Verified Support. From there, many users get access to live chat or email support with a real Meta support agent. Now, here's the important strategy when chatting with support. Do not sound aggressive or desperate. And honestly, this matters a lot. Explain clearly that your Instagram account was disabled, you believe it may have been a mistake, and you want the case reviewed manually. Short, clear explanations usually work better than giant emotional paragraphs. Now, another thing many people recommend: mention if the account contains business content, personal memories, or important professional work, because support agents sometimes escalate those cases faster. Now let's talk about what not to do, because honestly, many people make the situation worse. Do not spam appeal forms 50 times, buy fake recovery services, or trust random hackers promising instant recovery. And honestly, most Instagram recovery experts online are scams, especially on Telegram and Instagram comments. Now, another important thing: timing matters. Some users recover accounts within hours, while others wait days or even weeks, especially if the account triggered automated moderation systems. Now, let's talk about IDs, because Instagram sometimes requests identity verification. If that happens, send clear, real photos of the requested documents and make sure the information matches the account details as closely as possible. Now, let's be honest for a second. Meta support is still inconsistent sometimes. And honestly, some agents are much more helpful than others. That's why many users try multiple support chats politely until they reach somebody willing to escalate the case properly. Now, another thing worth mentioning: if your account was disabled for severe policy violations, recovery becomes much harder, especially for things involving spam, automation impersonation, or repeated guideline violations. But for accidental disables or moderation mistakes, many people do successfully recover accounts through Meta Support Chat. So, to wrap this up, the best real method to appeal a disabled Instagram account in 2026 is usually submitting the normal Instagram appeal first, then using Meta Verified Support Chat through Facebook or Instagram to contact a real person. And honestly, that support chat method currently seems much more effective than only using automated forms, especially when you stay calm, professional, and persistent during the process.